So today I wanted to try to make some keto ice cream. I'm not really craving sugar, but I don't know, occasionally I think I'd like to get a spoonful or two of ice cream. And if I'm going to do that, I'm going to have to use keto ice cream because I'm doing really well and I don't want to break my diet. So, the one that I picked was super simple, no cooking involved. I found it on Pinterest, it's all over the place, and it's called Mason Jar Ice Cream. It is 1 cup of heavy whipping cream, which, if you can see, I've already done. You can get these Mason jars at Walmart. They come, well, this one has like 12 in a package. I think you maybe can get them for just 4 in a package. 12 is a lot. You need 2 tablespoons of your sweetener that you choose. Whatever sweetener that you like to use for your keto. I personally like saccharin, but they don't have that in powder form, so I'm using monk fruit, and I'll see how that works. And it's 2 tablespoons of that. Okay, and then I'm going to skip right over here. It's 1 tablespoon about of cocoa, because I want chocolate ice cream. There's that. And then we're going to have that. Those are dog scratches, so yeah, that looks bad, but let me see if I can. I have no idea what that's looking at. There we go. Oh, it's actually kind of looking at that. Okay. So now I'm going to put on here 1 teaspoon, which is a cap, of vanilla. My vanilla, and I like Adam's extract vanilla because that's what my mom used. So mom used it, had to be good for me too. And I've decided I'm going to put some sugar-free chocolate chips in it. Now, just FYI people, just because it says sugar-free in no way means that it's low calorie or low carb. So just 1 tablespoon of these are Hershey sugar-free. I heard that there's another brand called Lily's that you can get on Amazon. I need to check those out. But there are 9 grams of carbs in 1 tablespoon of these sugar-free chocolate chips. So I'm going to use just a teaspoon because I want a few in there, but I don't want a lot, and I don't want to eat my whole meal's worth of carbs in 1 bite of ice cream. So boop, that's it for that. Okay, so I'm going to put that on there. So now, as you can see, I've got my ice cream mixture ready to shake. So let me put the cap on it. Here you go. Okay, put that on there. And now it says to just shake it vigorously for 5 minutes. So I'm going to shake it vigorously for 5 minutes, and I will be right back.